Hey guys, subscribe for daily content, and if you're shopping for gear, make sure you check out the description for the newest items at some of the very best online retailers. There's also links for some of the items that I personally recommend. Thanks! What's going on YouTube? Metal Complex here, and today I'm going to share with you guys some exciting information. I think this will make a lot of people happy. A while ago, I made a promise saying I'm going to give away one of these, but there's some stuff that needs to happen first. All of that stuff has happened. And so now I'm going to offer this awesome knife up as a giveaway item. This is a knife that is now, it's been released, but they are super duper unavailable. Demco Knives was kind enough to send me 2 of these. So I want to give away the second one. What is it? Well, it's the Demco AD 20.5. This is the same one that you guys probably just watched on Advanced Knife Bros channel. If you guys have not checked out that video, go to Advanced Knife Bros channel and check out his review of this. I had some tiny cameos in it. It was really fun. The script, oh my gosh, that upload was amazing. But anyways, he's done with it. He sent it back, and it's still just fantastic. It's basically in brand new condition, right? Beautiful. But yeah, I want to give this away. So, how do you enter? How is this all going to work? Number 1. Subscribe. If you're not subscribed, subscribe to my channel. Number 2, this is going to be, the giveaway is actually going to take place live like it always does. When? Tonight, right? If you're watching this on the day that I uploaded it, it's Friday. So tonight on my live stream at 9 o'clock Central Standard Time or 10 o'clock Eastern Standard Time, I'm going to be giving this away, drawing the name live. You do need to be at least 18 years of age or older to enter and win. That's how it is currently. That's how it's always been. You also need to be able to provide me with a shipping address inside the continental United States. So, if you live outside of the United States, you can still enter and win, but I need to be able to ship it to somebody inside the United States. So if you have a friend, a family member, somebody from the knife community you trust that I can ship to first, then they can figure out how to get it to you. That'll work out, right? So everybody's included, right? Just want you to subscribe and be there for the live stream tonight at 9 o'clock Central Standard Time. How do you actually enter? All you need to do is leave a comment right down below. Honestly, you can, I mean, you know, let's keep it PG, but yeah, just leave a comment right down below. That's all you got to do. We're going to use Comment Picker, the YouTube version of Comment Picker. I'll do it live using my iPad so everybody knows that it's fair. Yeah, it should be a good time. Generally, when I do giveaways, especially when they're, you know, for exciting knives like this, it's always a great time. If anything, you know, you can come out, come hang out with us for an hour and just chat knives. It's always fun when there's a lot of people in there. So I like to do these giveaways live and do an event. But I thought this might, you know, create some excitement for people here on this hopefully beautiful Friday afternoon when you're watching this, right? And normally I give a little bit more of a heads up, but I thought, you know, this has been fun in the past. Let's go ahead and do it again. I don't know that there's really a whole lot more to say here. It'll come with the box and, of course, the knife itself. The knife is still, of course, perfectly centered, and it has absolutely solid lockup, right? This is one of the originals. So, yeah. Pretty cool. If you've been wanting to get your hands on one of these, right, and you've tried and maybe missed the first batch, well, here's your opportunity to get one for free. As is the case with all of my giveaways, the person who wins, hopefully they're there in the live stream. That would be ideal, right? That's the easiest way to make sure that you won, is to be present for the live stream, right? But you have exactly 1 week to claim the prize after I draw the winner. Anyways, guys, that's going to be pretty much it for today. Hope you guys are excited. Hope to see you guys in the live stream tonight. I hope you all have a wonderful rest of your Friday. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like. If you'd like to check out my other content, I do, of course, have lots of videos of knives that are either expensive or inexpensive that I do or don't like, so check those out. And if you enjoy all my content, go ahead and click on that Metal Complex logo and subscribe, because there's definitely more coming. Thanks again for watching, everybody, and have a great day.